Alright, we got my 2017 to 2018 NYE Fireworks Stash. Show you guys what I got here. Got a bunch of Double Trouble from Holy Fook. You know those are the good ones. Got another one there. Got a bunch of Ammo Dump from Holy Fook. Very good. Got some American Flyers Girandolas. We got all sorts of stuff here. Got a bunch of Bad Piggies. Real nice, good loud ones. Blue Moon Rising. Very nice cake. Good and loud. Got Gold. Those are very nice, good loud ones also. Got a couple of those, as well as Mystery Machine. Got all sorts of different cakes there. Fantasia. That's another real good, nice loud one. You know, got a couple brown wrapped gold tops there. You know those. Candles. Blood Red, that's a real nice one. Got a few Raging Ninja. Got our can shells over here. Got the Reapers and the Pro shells. Some mess around stuff there. Got some RPG rockets. Very good. And we got 5 fan slices there. Very nice. And we got all sorts of assorted, you know, crackers, whatnot, everything in here. Some different nice goodies. These smokes are these are real good here. These are the best smoke sticks I've had. You just pop this top off here, pop it off, and then strike that on there like a match, and it starts going. You can hold it. Has really nice, thick, long-lasting red smoke. It's sports grade, so it's real good. Definitely suggest checking these out. Got a bunch of stuff in here. Gladiator, 60 grams. Real nice big one. Got a Shark 3. Here's a real nice 30 grams. Got like 4 or 5 Crazy Bangs. Got AP Boom. Got a few of these guys here. You know, got some of these guys. Those are always fun. Got some different Crazy Kings, color flowers floating around in here. Different, you know, stuff like that. Got some of these real nice ground bloom flowers. Flowers with bangs. Got some of these guys here. Don't find these too much anymore. These are real hitters here. Got a couple more Sammy's Best. You know, got a few Big Boss flowers. Got some poppers. We got there. So we got a pretty good assortment here. Be putting up a setup vid for my show. Hopefully be using my Cobra system I got over here. Getting that all out and ready. As long as it's not like snowing too hard or something. Alright, well that's the stash for this year. I'm posting up a setup video and show videos after New Year's. Let me know what you guys think. Like the video and subscribe. I'm out.